Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Renson's Yard. In today's episode, we're working on the parking brake cables on my small truck. So, it's been a little while that my truck's been making some weird hitting noise, basically, whenever I'm hitting a bump. And the other day I actually decided to finally investigate it, and what it is that the parking brake cables, back here, whenever I hit a bump, they hit on the frame. So you can see that it's been hitting over here, on the inside there, and same thing on the other side, where the cable's hitting on the suspension mount. Normally the cables are retained by this little rubber strap, but I guess over the years it's gone a lot looser than it should be. So today I'm going to take it off and try to tighten it or reroute the cable so they're not fouling on anything. What I'm going to do on this side is just shortening this strap by about half. And then the cable is going to be tighter against here. And it can't touch anything anymore. And it's also far enough away from the exhaust that it won't burn. Now we see the same cable from a different angle. The cable is now well away from this frame piece, and there's still some space between it and the muffler here, so it should be enough to dissipate the heat. And on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Shorten the strap a little bit, and it should do the trick. And the last job for today is to switch my tires, front and rear, just so they wear a bit more evenly. And I'll use this opportunity to check out my brakes, especially the rear ones, as the front ones I can check the calipers just like that, but here I have to take out the drum. There. So from this close, you can see that the pads are quite thin, but even new ones are very, very thin, so these are actually still good. Yep, still usable. Now I'll take off the front tire and put it in the back. And this brake is also just fine. There is a trick that I could use to take those off, and there's 2 screw holes in the drums in which I can screw in 2 long bolts and then it'll push out the whole thing. I might try that for this line actually. That's nice and easy. Cool. And yeah, same thing on this side. Everything looks good. Springs are good, adjusters are good, pistons are good, and the axle seal isn't leaking either. So I'll put everything back together. And for these wheels, the recommended torque setting is 75 foot-pounds. All good. Now for the front. Yeah. Hand tight at first to make sure they're well settled, and then torque them down. Okay, 2 more wheels to go. There we go. All done. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to give us some suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.